friends, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, staying home and doing your creative works from your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you last tense of future tense, which is known as future perfect continuous tense. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous, also sometimes called the future perfect progressive, is a verb tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future. The activity will have begun sometime in the past, present, or in the future and is expected to continue in the future. Future perfect has two different forms. First one is will have been doing and second one is be going to have been doing. Unlike simple future forms, future perfect continuous forms are usually interchangeable. These are interchangeable. You could use this also, and in the place of this you could also use this form of future perfect continuous tense. So come to the form of future perfect continuous tense. Subject, then will, then have, then been, then verb first form, then ing, then object, and as the time, since, or for. For example, you will have been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives. Now the form of be going to. Am is are plus going to plus have been plus verb first form, then ing. Look example. You are going to have been waiting for more than 2 hours when her plane finally arrives. Now the uses of this tense. First uses duration before something in the future. It means we use the future perfect continuous to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. Something has started maybe in the past or present, it will continue up to another fact in the future. For example, for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday. All are durations which can be used with future perfect continuous. But one notice is here. Note that this is related with present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous also. However, with future perfect continuous, the duration stops at or before a reference point in the future. Look at the example. They will have been talking for over an hour by the time Thomas arrives. James will have been teaching at the university for more than a year by the time he leaves for Asia. We are going to have been driving for over 3 days straight when we get to Anchorage. Now, second use of this tense is cause of something in the future. Using the future perfect continuous before another action in the future is a good way to show cause and effect. Jason will be tired when he gets home because he will have been jogging for over an hour. Why Jason has tired? Because he have been jogging. It is cause of the effect of tiredness. Claudia's English will be perfect when she returns to Germany because she is going to have been studying English in the United States for over 2 years. This is also an example of cause and effect. Now, one difference between future continuous and future perfect continuous tense. If you don't include a duration, such as for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, or since Friday, many English speakers choose to use the future continuous rather than the future perfect continuous. So be careful because this can change the meaning of the sentence. Future continuous emphasis on the interrupted actions, whereas future perfect continuous emphasis a duration of time before something in the future. It means the future continuous shows interrupted action and future perfect continuous shows duration of time before something in the future. Look at the example. He will be tired because he will be exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be exercising at the exact moment in the future. He will be tired because he will have been exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will have been exercising for a period of time. It is possible that he will still be exercising at that moment or that he will just have finished. Now, the negative structure of future perfect continuous tense. Subject, then will, then note, then have, then been, verb first form, ing, object. Examples are also here. I shall not have been living in Delhi for 2 years. Rohit will not have been writing letters to Ruby since 2004. Rajan will not have been playing badminton since January. Now the interrogative structure. Will come forward before subject, then have, then been, verb first form, ing, object and question mark at last. Example is here. Shall I not have been studying for 2 hours? Will they not have been playing since morning? Will you not have been teaching French for last 5 months? And student, you know very well about the uses of since and for. Since is used for a specific point at a time and for is used for a duration of time. I hope that student you got the uses of future perfect continuous tense. Thanks for watching.